model by William Wogan. Just going to show you super quick here on why you shouldn't use sliders for facial animation. So I'll drag that up, and that's cool. Drag this more, okay, and then what you'll see is that once I start mixing these guys, you'll end up having great difficulty actually blending them. So while this is fine, and we can move to the next frame, say frame 10, it's fairly easy to go overboard. And so what happened here is that I'm mixing many of these morphs together, and oh, that just looks like Jack Nicholson, doesn't it? And then you'll have to skew this down again, and it gets to be quite tricky actually to get this to work. Yeah, I'm just, you know, that's so Jack Nicholson. Anyway, so yeah, one of the reason is that it's kind of slow. I guess it's not as bad as I thought it would be, but once you go overboard with some of these guys, let's see, yeah, for example here you got over 100% morph because we got this one and that one together. Let's see, yeah, so and this one as well. So mixing the right and the right, for example, can be a bit difficult. Also, it's time consuming, very time consuming. It doesn't seem to be that time consuming when doing this, but when you're creating a 30-second animation, it's extremely time consuming using these sliders. So what you should use instead is TAFA, which is excellent for this kind of stuff. But yeah, that's one of the kind of like gotchas with sliders, is that you might end up going overboard. So it's not impossible, not at all. But you got to be very aware of not pushing it too far, and also it's quite slow to animate. So use TAFA if you can, or perhaps another method. This is so Jack Nicholson.